Ever feel like you're straining to hear your favorite music or that crucial dialogue in a movie? If your Windows computer's volume is frustratingly low, this is the video for you. Let's dive into fixing that audio output and get your sound back to full power. The first place to check is your playback device's properties. Right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Then, find your active playback device usually your speakers or headphones and click the blue device properties link beneath it. Now, navigate to the Enhancements tab. Here, you'll find several options that can boost your audio. Look for loudness equalization or bass boost and check the box next to them. These can make a noticeable difference. Next, switch to the Advanced tab under Default Format. You might find a drop-down menu. Try selecting a different sample rate and bit depth. Sometimes, a different setting can resolve volume issues. Experiment with a few options here. Beyond device settings, don't forget individual application volumes. Open the volume mixer again by right-clicking the speaker icon. Make sure the sliders for your applications, like your web browser or media player, are all the way up. For more advanced control, right-click your speaker icon and select Sounds. Then, go to the Playback tab, select your default device and click the Properties button. In the Playback device properties, you'll see a Levels tab. Ensure the main volume slider here is at its maximum. You might also see a Balance control. Make sure it's centered. Another quick check within Windows settings can help. Go to System, then Sound under Output. Ensure the correct device is selected and that the main volume slider is also set to maximum. With these steps, you should be well on your way to a louder and more enjoyable listening experience on your Windows PC.